Welcome to our Müller tutorial. Your problem is that your combiloop CL3E, CL3G or any products in the CL4G series are not achieving the desired target pressure? In this tutorial, we show you in a few steps how to check the system and rule out the most common errors. Your Müller high pressure unit is connected to the machine tool. A high pressure valve has been selected. If you feel that your high pressure system is not under pressure, then in the first step you will learn how to check this suspicion. First of all, you need to know what pressure your machine should be producing. You will find this information on our type plates in the position shown. In the second step, we establish the actual pressure. That means what your high pressure unit is actually producing. To do this, use the control valve to set the maximum possible high pressure. The maximum pressure is set on the pressure limiting valve. Continue turning clockwise to increase the pressure. For systems with pressure control, please use the touch display to select the highest pressure level. The current pressure, that means the actual pressure that your machine is producing, now appears on the integrated touch display. If the pressure is lower than the target pressure, the next step is to carry out the pump test. To do this, we start by pulling the magnetic coil of the selected valve. Doing this instantly closes the switching valve and shows us the maximum pressure. To find out which magnetic valve we need to remove, let's first look at which valve has been selected. This can be seen on the illuminated control LED. Once we have located the correct magnetic coil, we remove the locking nut on it. This means that in the next step we can pull off the magnetic coil. Now we turn up the pressure and read the actual pressure on the display. There are two possibilities. The first case, the target pressure is achieved. This establishes that the system is working and the fault is nothing to do with the high pressure unit. So what can it be? Perhaps your machine tool is leaking on the inside, or perhaps the dimensioning of your high pressure unit is not correct. To check the settings of your high pressure system with regard to its pumping capacity, use our pumping capacity calculator in the internet at www.müllerhydraulik.de. The second case is that a target pressure is not achieved. This could be because the pump is warm. In this case, please contact Müller service. Please have the serial number ready when you contact us. You will find it on the type plate. We hope this tutorial has helped you to limit the errors, and we will be happy to answer any of your questions or concerns at any time.